Ever wanted an awesome YouTube intro but thought it takes too long? What if I told you we can make one in just 5 minutes using Movavi? Challenge accepted. Let's set a timer and get started. Hey, Arthur here and welcome to Movavi. I've been editing videos for almost 10 years and I've created more than my share of intros in that time. Trust me, making a great intro doesn't have to take forever. I will show you just how easy it is, even if you're a total beginner. Before we dive in, why bother with a YouTube intro at all? Well, a few quick reasons. Brand identity. Channel intro is like your signature. Makes your channel instantly recognizable. Viewers see it and know it's you. Professional look. Polished intro gives your videos a pro vibe, showing viewers you take your content seriously. It sets the tone for quality. Viewer engagement. Those first seconds are crucial. Catchy intro hooks your audience so they want to keep watching instead of clicking away. First impressions count. Alright, here's what you'll need to follow along and make your intro in 5 minutes. Movavi Video Editor installed and open. I'm using the latest version. Your channel name or logo. You can just use text for your channel name or have a logo image ready. If you have one, background visual. This could be a simple color, photo, or a short video clip to run behind your logo. Don't worry, Movavi also has some built-in backgrounds if you need. A short music clip or jingle. Intros usually have a little music. We'll keep it to a few seconds. Got everything. Great. Let's jump into Movavi and build this intro. I will show you 2 ways to do it. First, using a ready-made intro template for speed, and second, super quick custom intro from scratch. Let's start with the easy template method. In Movavi Video Editor, look over at the left sidebar and click import, and there are so many pre-made intro clips here. I'm browsing and let's pick one that looks cool. I will drag and drop this intro template onto my timeline and boom, we instantly have a complete intro clip. That was like 2 seconds. This template comes with default text and a background. Let's customize it. Step 2, edit the text. First, I click the edit this intro button on the timeline and change the text to show my channel name. To do that, I just double click the text on the timeline or in the preview monitor. I will type in my channel name, let's say Movavi Tech Tips as an example, and I can adjust the font, size, color, all that fun stuff on the left side. Instead of replacing or deleting the template's background, we'll keep it. The motion and timing are designed around it. I will just brand it, tweak the colors to match my palette, and add my logo on top. Now, music. Short, punchy track will make the intro memorable. I'll use a file I already have on my computer, import it, and drop it under the intro. This track is longer than my intro, so I will trim it to length and add a quick fade out so it ends clean. And just like that, our intro is ready. Let's play it back. Look at that. We have our channel name flying in, cool background moving, music pumping, all done in maybe 2 minutes and a few clicks. Not bad, right? I remember doing this the hard way years ago and it took me hours. Thank goodness for templates. Now, templates are awesome for speed, but what if you want to make something more unique from scratch, or you just didn't find a template that suits you? No worries, you can still whip up a custom intro almost as fast. Let me show you a minimalist intro from scratch, no preset required. We don't need a new project. Movavi lets us build an intro as a separate asset we can reuse. I go to import intro videos, my intro videos, new intro. That creates a blank intro clip. I drag it to the start of the timeline and set the duration to about 3 to 5 seconds. For a clean base, I will choose a simple solid or gradient background inside the intro editor. Keep it minimal so the logo and titles stand out. Now for the title. Go to Titles to get motion without extra work. Pick an animated title preset, not simple text. I'll choose a clean animated style, drop it over the background, and place it at the start. Then I'll double click to edit the text. If you use the static title like simple text, just add motion manually. Select the title clip, go to Tools, Animation, Add, and choose Fade, Zoom in, or Slide. Keep it subtle, about 6 to 8 frames for the in animation and 4 to 6 frames for the out animation, so it feels snappy. If you have a logo image and you want that in your intro, you can absolutely add it. I will quickly show how. Go to import, add your logo file just like we added the background, then drag the logo onto a new overlay track on the timeline so it sits on top. I will resize and position my logo here next to the text. Great! If you don't have a logo, no worries, just text is fine for now. We need some music here too. Same as before, go to the music library. I'll choose a different track this time, maybe something chill. Drag it down to the audio track. Dragging in the music and trimming it to our 5-second intro length. Don't forget the little fade out for a clean end. Okay, moment of truth. Let's play our custom intro. There it is, simple custom-made intro. We've got our logo and channel name fading in over a nice background with music to set the mood, and it only took a few minutes. Not too shabby for starting from scratch, right? Pro tip, don't save this as a separate project. Movavi can store your intro in its own library. When you're done editing the new intro clip, exit the intro editor, click back, then click the little bookmark ribbon icon on the intro to save to My Intro Videos. Give it a name, and you'll find it anytime under Import, Intro Videos, My Intro Videos. Next time, just drag it in and update the text or logo, no rebuilding. All right, you've got the know-how. Now avoid these common intro mistakes that a lot of beginners make, including me, making it too long. Don't create 30-second epic intro. Seriously, keep it short and sweet. Most good intros are 5 to 10 seconds max, often even shorter. If it drags on, viewers will start skipping, or worse, leave the video. So aim for that quick punch, not reflecting your brand. Your intro should match your channel's vibe. Using a random template without changing the style or music to fit your content can feel jarring. For instance, gentle travel vlog probably shouldn't have a heavy metal intro, right? Customize colors, fonts, and music to fit your theme. Overloading with elements. Avoid cramming in too much text, too many logos, or crazy effects. Beginners sometimes throw every animation at the screen. It can overwhelm or look unprofessional. Simple is usually better. One logo, one title, one background, done. Audio issues. Be mindful of your audio. Don't let the music overpower your voice. If your intro includes narration, and definitely use non-copyrighted music. Using a chart-topping pop song without rights will get your video flagged. Stick to the Movavi library or other royalty-free tracks. Also, check your volume. You don't want to blast your viewers' ears or be so quiet that it's unnoticed. And there you have it. Just a few minutes, we created a slick YouTube intro from start to finish. We used a template for speed and even built one from scratch. Now you know how to give your channel that professional touch without spending all day on it. Pretty cool, right? If you found this helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing to Movavi Vlog for more easy video editing tutorials. We've got lots of tips coming up. You won't want to miss it. And if you want to try the full Movavi effects experience, just add an effects pack at checkout. You'll get a 7-day free trial to explore premium effects, music, and extras right inside the video editor. And if you're ready to go long term, use Vlog20 for 20% off the annual Movavi Video Editor subscription. Code and links are in the description.